Hi, welcome to my channel, The Archivist. It's called Sufism, the mystical branch of Islam. After the death of Prophet Muhammad in 632, Sufism originated. The name Sufism is associated with the coarse garments that Sufi saints wore as a mark of their rejection of worldly things. Sufism, it focused on a direct connection to God by foregoing material goods and relationships. A Sufi is a Muslim who seeks annihilation of the ego in God. Followers of Sufism believe they can become closer to Allah through inner purification and introspection. The Sufis, who emphasized on an egalitarian society based on universal love. Sufism spread throughout the Muslim world, becoming a central component of many people's religious practice from Indonesia and South Asia to Africa and the Balkans. Sufism has a history in India evolving for over 1000 years. Following the entrance of Islam in the early 8th century, Sufi mystic traditions became more visible during the 10th and 11th centuries of the Delhi Sultanate, and after it to the rest of India. By the 14th century, the Sufism had spread to Bihar, Kashmir, Deccan, and Bengal. The Sufis came to India through Afghanistan of their own free will. Their emphasis on a pure life, devotional love, and service to humanity made them popular and earned them a place of honor in Indian society. While writing the Aini Akbari by Abul Fazl, speak about 14 silsilas of the Sufis. These silsilas were divided into two types, Bashara and Bishara. Bashara were those orders that followed the Islamic law or Sharia and its directives such as Roza and Namaz. Moreover, the chief among us these were the Chishti, Suharwadi, Firdausi, Naqshbandi, and Qadri silsilas. The Bishara silsilas were not bound by the Sharia, and the Kalandas belonged to this group. One of the most popular rituals in Sufism is the visiting of grave tombs of the Sufi saints. These have evolved into Sufi shrines and are seen among cultural and religious landscape of India. The rituals of visiting any place of significance is called Ziyarat. The most common example is a visit to Prophet Muhammad's Masjid, Nabawi, and grave in Medina, which is in Saudi Arabia. Music, an influential medium to disperse ideas. In Sufism, the term music is called Sama. Sufi music is the devotional music of the Sufis, inspired by the works of Sufi poets like Rumi, Hafiz, Bulla Shah, Amir Khusro, and Khwaja Kulam Farid. Qawwali is the best known form of Sufi music and is most commonly found in the Sufi culture in South Asia. Sufism has not only survived into the 21st century but has experienced a significant resurgence throughout the Muslim world.
With these notes, I'll take leave. If you found this video is helpful, then please do let me know in the comment section and also like and share with your friends. We will meet very soon with another interesting video. Till then, it's me signing off, the Archivist.